In today's video, I'll show you how to upgrade a basic white cake mix into a fun, sophisticated dessert. Flavored with hints of almond and vanilla, these cupcakes hold a special surprise of white chocolates in the center. They're great for parties and super simple to whip up. Here's the ingredients you'll need to make about 2 dozen cupcakes. 1 stick of salted butter as substitute for the oil, 1 tablespoon vanilla, and 3 tablespoons almond extract. 1 box of vanilla cake mix. Almond milk as substitute for the water. My package called for 1 1/4 cups. 5 eggs, buttercream icing, white chocolate candies, and decorations for the finished cupcakes. Now combine all your ingredients into a large mixing bowl. Now for the eggs. I like to crack them in a separate bowl just in case one of them is bad. You can discard it without having to throw away your entire mix. Crack the last 2 eggs into another bowl and separate the egg yolks. Adding extra egg yolks just makes your cake mix extra moist. I set aside the egg whites and later made a delicious egg white omelet. Add the eggs and milk to your mixture. Melt the butter in the microwave and add that too. Now stir by hand or with a mixer until all the ingredients are combined. Be careful not to overmix. After lining your cupcake pan with liners, spoon in the mixture. Don't fill them too high or the cupcakes will spill over during baking. Tap the pan on the counter to release any air bubbles and place the pan in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 14 to 19 minutes. After the cupcakes are baked and cool, take an apple core. Pressing down gently, carefully remove a chunk of cake from the center of the cupcakes. Fill the hole with chocolates before piping icing on top. Now finish it off with your choice of decorations, sprinkles, candies, glitter, or in my case, bunny body parts. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more reviews, tutorials, and art videos. Until next time, see you soon. Bye.